Tired of tiny payouts and want to hit the jackpot mining crypto? Then you're probably weighing solo mining against pool mining. Let's break down which strategy might be better for you. First, solo mining. It's you versus the entire network. You dedicate your hardware to solving complex algorithms, and if you succeed, you get the entire block reward. The catch: solo mining is a lottery. You'll need powerful and energy-efficient hardware, and even then, it could take a very long time to find a block, if ever. Think of it like buying a single lottery ticket. Now, pool mining. You join forces with other miners, combining your computing power. When the pool finds a block, the reward is split proportionally based on your contribution. The advantage: consistent, smaller payouts. You're essentially buying many lottery tickets as a group, increasing your chances of winning, but splitting the prize. So, which is better? Solo mining offers the potential for huge rewards, but it's highly dependent on luck and substantial upfront investment in hardware. The risk is very high. Pool mining provides a steady stream of income, but the individual rewards are smaller. It's more predictable and requires less powerful individual hardware, lower risk, lower reward. Ultimately, the best strategy depends on your risk tolerance, available resources, and the specific cryptocurrency you're mining. Research your coins, assess your hardware, and choose the path that aligns with your goals. Good luck mining.